Welcome back to Crumbs. Today we're going to show you how to play and pause music or movies or YouTube videos with the Apple EarPods with Lightning connector. These are connected to the bottom port of the iPhone, works with iPads and so on, anything that has a Lightning connector. Basically, as you can see now, we are playing music, and all we have to do is on the stem here, we have this middle point where it has a little symbol of a microphone, and we just have to press it one time. And that pauses it. Press another time, one click, pause and play. And again, like I said, also you can use the phone interface. Obviously, we can play and pause. Let's say we open a YouTube video, and let's go so we can see this on a YouTube video. Let's go one of our own videos, and we are playing. We can pause it, we can play it. We can pause it, we can play it. So that's all you have to do is press the middle button, which is quite nice to have a mechanical button to press for music and so on. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments below. See you in the next video. Thanks. Bye.